Hi, I'm Riley. I'm a Bupa dietitian, and there's nothing that I love more than cooking delicious, nutritious meals for my friends and family. Today we'll be making a healthy cauliflower fried rice. This is such a great twist on the traditional takeaway, which is usually high in saturated fat and salt. The cauliflower bulks up the vegetable content of this dish, making it high in fibre and also adding a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals to help support our overall health. The ingredients in this recipe are also great for weight management and have anti-inflammatory properties, so this recipe is a good choice for those with joint or bone conditions. Let's get started. First things first, you want to prepare your rice. Today I'm using brown rice. Brown rice is a low GI option. GI stands for glycemic index and is a measurement of how fast or slow carbohydrate foods are broken down in your bloodstream. Low GI foods like brown rice and other whole grains are broken down slowly, meaning they keep you fuller for longer, so they're a great choice if you are looking after your weight. We're now going to prepare our cauliflower using our food processor just to pulse it until it resembles rice. If you don't have a food processor at home, that's okay. You can use a grater to make the cauliflower rice instead. So I'm just going to give the cauliflower a pulse. Just be wary not to overdo it, as we don't want to turn the cauliflower into a paste. Once your cauliflower is ready, we're going to heat a small amount of extra virgin olive oil in your wok. Extra virgin olive oil is a great choice as it's high in the heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It also has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties if it's consumed regularly. That's because it has a high polyphenol content. That is an antioxidant-rich, plant-based compound with anti-inflammatory properties. So it makes it a great option for those with joint or bone conditions. Now add in your crushed garlic, onion and ham and stir fry it together for about 1 minute or until it's nice and fragrant. Next, add in all your vibrant vegetables. So I have some diced carrot here. I'll also add my 1 cup of frozen peas, add in your diced capsicum and also add in your cauliflower. Stir fry this all together for around 5 minutes until the vegetables are nice and tender. As you can see, I'm using a rainbow of vegetables in this dish, and that's going to give us a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Antioxidants are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and vitamins and minerals have a range of health benefits, like helping us to maintain our strength, bone health, and brain function. So make sure you get in your 5 serves of vegetables every day. Once the veggies are nice and tender, we want to make a well in the center of your pan and add in your beaten eggs. This is going to give us an extra boost of protein. I'm just going to wait for the eggs to cook through, and then I'll cut them into strips and stir them throughout the rest of the dish. So once you've chopped up your egg and stirred that through the dish, you can add in your brown rice and your soy sauce to taste. Stir through your brown rice and your soy sauce. And here you have it, our healthy cauliflower fried rice. Not only does it smell delicious, but it is such a nutritious option full of vibrant colours. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.